Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. I realize I haven't done one of these videos in an interesting place for a long time. I used to do videos in front of the dinosaurs in Palm Springs or in front of a canyon somewhere, or a rooftop or something, but they've been boring videos in my office for too long. So today I thought I'd do one in front of this old car, and you guys might appreciate it. You got into AV largely because you enjoy building things out of nothing, which is something that we certainly have in common. You bring systems to life and automation and so forth. I picked up this old BMW that was rusted out, and we're rebuilding the metal, but more importantly, we're throwing a Tesla motor in it and a bunch of Tesla modules, so we'll have this running at about 500 horsepower. Maybe I'll bring it to Infocom some year. Anyway, on to the more important things. We've got some great updates for you today, starting with one thing that I thought we would never build in Jetbuilt, and that is delivering your proposals within the platform. So you can now click this Send to Client button, and we will send your proposal to your client. They'll get an email with a link where they can click on and view the proposal, download it, and so forth. And you'll be notified when they do that. So a lot of you guys, especially the residential installers, have been begging for this for a long time, and I've pushed back on it hard because I don't like the impersonal approach. In my work, I like to hand deliver that proposal, maybe not by hand, but by email, but a personal email. But that's me, and the world is full of a lot of opinions, and most of them better than mine. So that being said, we see value in this, and we want to bring it to you. Another interesting thing is we added a select all checkbox to the top of every column in the builder. Any column that has checkboxes associated with it, if you go into edit mode, there's now a select all box on top, so you can more quickly, maybe go to all rooms, all systems, edit mode, and then select every item and apply text to it, or every item and make that one of the assets you're following, and so forth. And then also something I'm really excited about, and I asked this question when we were asking all of you about project management functionality you'd like. Something that resonated with a huge number of you folks was option to require a photo to complete a step of a task within project management. So for example, the task is to install wall plates, and your team has been having a struggle with getting them straight. They may put them in a little angle, and the client thinks that that's not so good. So you can, clearly you can put a note in the task, be sure to install these things level, guys, but you can also require a photo of that particular step. So now you'll be able to validate that the wall plate is on the wall straight, or that the trash is cleaned up, or whatever the task may be. If they try to check it off without the photo, of course, it'll prompt them to put the photo in so they can complete the task. All right, well, there's a bunch more in the email. Read through them. Also, Infocom. Really looking forward to that. It's just a week and a half away. We've got a lot of you have already kind of said, hey, can we get together? I'm happy to do that with as many of you as possible. So if you're at the show, at least come by and say hi. Or if you like, set up a time and we can chat. We can show you a tour of some of these new things, the new project management features, and so many more things that we've been rolling out. So I guess that's it for this time. Until then, we'll see you there, or maybe on the road with the Tesla-powered BMW. All right, talk soon.